So we just had fun today. At least nawala yung mga stress, mga demonyong nakapaligid. At least mga masasaya yung mga nakapaligid sa amin ngayon. They're in a crazy mood, diba? At least hindi sila demonic or devilish pala. Yeah, at least masaya, diba? In those kinds of like areas. Diba? Nakakainis kasi minsan yung whenever they laugh at something pero wala namang funny, ganun. Tsaka hindi naman yung appropriate place. Kunyari, it's not a comedy bar or comedy show or something with a party or something like that, ganun. Minsan nakakairita, sobrang noisy. I really don't like noisiness. I don't know because I'm so old na siguro talaga. So parang I feel so irritated. Irritated now when it's like people are so noisy. And I also don't want Luis to be influenced by the noise. Because in another countries, especially in Japan, not allowed to be too noisy there.
Even honestly,
it is not allowed. So that's why you have to adapt to it as well.
I need to tell you.
You shouldn't be. You have to adjust yourself in Japan.
I also don't like.
Or in other countries.
I also don't like the noisiness. Really. Even if like I'm young.
Hindi kasi tahimik lang naman kasi kung tao. Nakikipag-joke lang ako sa mga friends, pero in like at home, I'm usually quiet.
I also like the quiet.
Hindi ko alam, di ba, Luis? I'm also quiet lang at home. Di ba? Pag we're not doing anything naman, like resting lang or watching TV. Usually I'm quiet, di ba? We're not doing anything. Yeah, usually quiet.
It's good to be quiet.
Oo, kasi pag quiet ka, you will gonna be able to like, you know. Pero some, you know, you can't please everyone, right? Pero syempre, as much as possible, parang you have to also learn to respect the people around you. You know, parang people have to learn to respect the people around them. Kasi sometimes it's okay to be fun, to be noisy, ganyan. Pero there are like specific place for that or certain places ganun na it's tolerable or it's allowed. Pero you know, I think for me it would be better if we keep some things to ourselves para we don't offend people or whatever. Yeah, kasi that's the one that's the cause of like wars or any disputes or disagreements between other people, right? So we don't wanna cause anything that we don't wanna like make other people get involved or whatever. So yeah, that's it. But at least today, oh yeah, not devilish naman ang mga people. They're nice. So yeah, at least we had fun. Yeah. Pero I also, sana, hopefully we can take more people the next time because we don't have budget for now. So, pag marami tayong budget, yeah, we can take more people.
I mean, like,
yeah,
I'm
that's
also
it.
happy. Like,
Oh, you're also happy. That's good. It's more fun pag meron kang kalaro, no? Kasi mas marami kayo, mas mababaliw kayo, ganun. Mas maraming kabaliwan pag mas marami. Yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna be driving now.